Hello mga ma'am sir, ito inyong Kavegas ha. Nandito tayo sa downtown Summerlin at may sisilipin akong event. Pangalan niya Tour de Summerlin, no? Bali biking event siya. Meron dadaan ka ng meron mga choices na 20 mile, 40 mile, 80 mile biking routes, no? Tara, silipin natin ha. Ayan, nandyan, pupunta tayo dyan ha. Tara. Dito sa Las Vegas, hindi lang casino, sugala ng meron, no? Meron din kaming community na may mga iba-ibang event. O isa ito. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Yung mga nakakatapos. So ito yung finish line. Meron 20 mile, 40 mile, 80 mile route. So depende kung saan ka nag-register, no? Ayan.
Okay, I approach straight in there.
Cyclists, as you're coming on in, don't forget you gotta get a chance to rehydrate. Come on over here into 10th row. We have plenty of places to get some drinks here. We got those down at the end. They're giving away all kinds of energy drinks and rehydration. We also have still plenty of kebabs left. If you want a chicken or a steak kebab, along with a little hummus pack, come on up to the center tent right down the middle. Plenty of that to go around. They also have some Gatorades right at the base of that. So come on up, grab some food, hang out with us for a little bit. Say hi to all the vendors that came out here to support us today. And thanks for coming out. We'll see it. And we got some more people come in. Keep cheering them on as they make their way through the finish line.